TikTok's not going to get banned, right? Remember when we used to say that robots would never be able to write poetry, robots would never be able to do art, apply for job descriptions, write books for us, write code? We never thought that the US would ban TikTok from phones from government officials, but you know, here we are. So now what? The point is, guys, we actually don't have a clue what's going to happen with all these social media platforms. We don't have a clue what could change, whether your account can get banned, whether your videos can get taken down, whether you can get shut down for no reason whatsoever. It could happen. So whilst we can't control the social media platforms that we're running our businesses on, we can certainly control the way that we are making our business risk-free. If you are not diversifying your business, running it across multiple social media platforms, and if you are not creating an email list and growing your own platform, your business is highly at risk. So get on all of the platforms possible, grow your email list, work on being everywhere, create organic content, do blogging, make sure you're coming up in search engines on more than just the social media platforms, and then, only then, can you say that your business is actually safe.